Welcome to our YouTube video. In this video, we will learn how to check train live running status on WhatsApp. Seems good. Now let's start. Step 1 is to save this number 7349389104. To check what features are there, we will write help. Now we have two options, PNR status and live train status. To check live status, write train number like 12006. It will show me the live status of that train. It will show me the details of that train. Let's try once more, like 14095. It's searching. If we check this profile is MMT verified profile from Make My Trip. Now let's see details. We have train name, train live status that it is late by 9 minutes, departed from next station, expected arrival time, and especially it will show last updated. This is a simple trick we can check the live status of any train.